So, my name is Merlin and I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. There's something wrong with my laptop, especially the camera thing. So, I wasn't. If you can see my camera, it's nice, but you were able to see uh, my face enough. So, I know I'm just gonna fix it tomorrow. So, the interesting I learned was I was making some kind of CPU thing in web front-end development. So I was looking at the hardware and how does it works. So and that was really and it was really hard because like 86 architecture was really hard to understand. They're like 16-bit or Artemistic logic unit and 16-bit data bus and blah blah blah. And this kind of diagram also made me really fall into fall into some kind of confused because I really don't get how we end up using this kind of diagram. But still though, there's really interesting what I learned because uh this kind of IP and CS call segment register and data segment register and stack segment register, they are registers in the CPU thing. And if you look at the image, and this is gonna be long like this: extra segment, code segment, stack segment, data segment, instruction pointer, and accumulating register, base register, and blah blah blah. And and I finally realized that I know what to do with it. So what I mean what to do is, uh, if I'm trying to make this specification into code, example 16-bit register, right? So this code segmentation, a segment is the 6-bit register that containing address of 64 kilobyte segment with a processor instruction, right? So this means that it has the size of 16-bit. So in JavaScript, we can assign it using new array buffer, using and trying to put like some kind of one byte. It's gonna be 2 byte because 16-bit equals to 2 byte, right? So yeah, I was like, why don't I implement this on the front end development? And and actually, I really implemented. I'm just gonna share it here. This part. So I'm still implementing, but this is blazingly wonderful if you look at it. So there's already specification of like of class because this hardware specification is not gonna able to make into front end development because if you know the JavaScript word, you cannot like specify or communicate with the hardware memory address. So we are just making our hardware specification on the application level. And if you look at it, it's like it, the interface unit register. It's just a class, and you can just define it using code segment register, stacks segment register, and also define the flag register. And next is IP, right? So it's also known as the program counter. And in the real mode is 16-bit and protect mode is 32-bit. And and when you receive the real mode, the mode of it, it changes the data view of the buffer, and it's set into default offset. Offset is gonna be starting from the 0x 0. The the thing you have to learn about the IP program counter is it's just like uh, storing the next instruction set. So it's gonna be offset is gonna be 0x00, and if other next instruction is 0x blah blah, and it's gonna be storing the 0x blah blah. It's really simple. Yeah, so this is like how I end up being here. Uh, so basically, what I'm doing is making real CPU in the front end development part. I know it's gonna be really hard. I'm reading this kind of whole documents, and I still didn't figure out how does it work. So, but still, I'm still trying, right? I'm still trying. So, I don't know what we're gonna happen like tomorrow, but um, I think I'm just gonna try to go deeply with the making a CPU thing. So this is it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.